Good morning. Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are going to make a country breakfast casserole. The main ingredients are going to be eggs and hash browns, and we're going to throw in some protein and some veggies to make it extra delicious. I am going to start with cracking the eggs, scrambling them up. We're going to do, let me grab my dish here real quick. This is about the size of baking dish, glass dish that I'm going to be using. Sometimes I use the one that's about this big. This is going to be for my husband and I. It's perfect for our quick heat up breakfasts. I tend to eat a later breakfast, mid-morning. My husband gets up really early, goes and works out before work, and so he needs a protein-packed breakfast to help him get through the day. This is a recipe our kids are too picky. They won't eat it. So I can throw in all of the veggies that I want to really perfect it down for my husband and I. But you can pretty much add in whatever ingredients your family likes. I call this my kitchen sink, clean out the fridge breakfast casserole because I'm using veggies and meats and things that we have on hand that are maybe running low on and I just need to use up. So for about this size dish, I'm probably going to do about 7 eggs or so, maybe 8. So we're going to get cracking these. These are store-bought eggs, so I can go ahead and just put them all in one bowl together. A lot of the time we like to do farm fresh eggs. And when you have farm fresh eggs, you need to crack them in like a separate little bowl one at a time because you never know with farm fresh eggs. In the springtime, or like early June, like-ish time, and going into summer, I really like to use the herbs that we have in our herb garden. I like to use like the green onions that we've got going in the garden and add those into this kind of casserole. Let's see, we have 6 in there, 7. You know what? Let's go ahead and do 8. Do 8 eggs. Just whisk these up. I don't add anything to it really. No milk or anything like that. Just mix them up real good. I'm going to add salt and pepper right to my eggs. Sprinkle a little salt, add a little pepper. Mix that in. Now, because this is for my husband and I and not the kids, I'm going to go ahead and add some Frank's hot sauce to it. This is more for flavor than heat. Normally, if we're going to make something for our kids and add hot sauce, we'll just do it after it's cooked and add it to what we have on our plate. But I know my husband likes this a lot and I like it too, so I'm going to go ahead and add a fair amount there. I'm not a spicy person, y'all, and let me tell you, I can eat this just fine. So, okay, that's mixed in. I'm going to grab my baking dish. We've got the hash browns already in here. I cooked up a little bit of spinach, and my husband isn't a big spinach person, but I am. I love it in breakfast casserole. Great way to add some vitamins. Get your greens in early in the day. So I'm going to add that to my side, not to his. And then we're going to add the cheese. I like to usually use shredded cheddar, but we just made chili and our shredded cheddar is all gone. So we live in a small town, so I ain't going all the way into the city to pick up some cheese. So I'm just going to use sliced American cheese. It works just fine. You got to have a little cheese in your breakfast casserole. Ooh, sliced down. I guess one of the pups will get that, won't they? All right, that's about good. Now I'm going to sprinkle in some diced up onion. You could use any kind of onion you want. Again, any veggies you've got. Bell peppers. I absolutely love to do colored bell peppers in breakfast casserole. I'm going to sprinkle the onions in there. We have some diced up cherry tomatoes. Just plop all of these in here. There's those onions. And then I have some Canadian bacon here. You could use ham cubes. You could use, if you have sausage, either ground sausage or sausage links, you could cut those up and add them in. I'm going to add some extra ham on this side. Okay, that's probably pretty good there. And then we're gonna just pour our egg mixture right over the top. Now this will rise as the eggs cook. They do kind of rise up a little bit, so don't be alarmed if your veggies and your meats are sticking out of the top here, although I'm gonna kind of press them down just a little. I don't want them to get burnt. And then I'm going to put this in the oven for probably about 375 degrees. Cook it for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to check it in about 15 minutes. And then again, you're just waiting for the middle to make sure that it's cooked all the way through with eggs. And then if you would like, you can actually add extra cheese to the top. I'm not going to do that, but you could do that. We're going to go put it in the oven and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Breakfast country casserole is finished. It looks delicious. Look at the colors. I just love adding those fresh veggies into recipes. It adds so much color, not to mention flavor, to your food. Y'all, if you're new, I hope you will subscribe and stick around. We got a lot more good, delicious, easy recipes coming your way. If you're returning, thank you so much. Thank you for hitting the like button and leaving your thoughts and comments below. And we will see you all next time.